$42 million in distributions, a $46.2 million exit, $106 million in a weekend.
If you listen to Alex Hormozi, it sounds like everything is about leverage, content, and scale. Build an audience, build a brand, use the internet. And that all makes sense. But at the same time, he keeps putting money into something very different. Local service businesses, cleaning, pet waste removal. Simple jobs most people don't take seriously. So the obvious question is, why? Why would someone who understands software and online business spend time on things that look like chores? The answer is simple, but most people miss it. He is not buying the work. He is buying the customer. More specifically, he is buying how long that customer stays. That's where the real money is.
By the end of this video, you will know what business to start, who you're going to serve, how you're going to serve them, and the exact message to send to get your first 5 customers.
Take dog waste removal as an example. In some places, a company can charge around $15 to $25 per visit, every single week. That does not sound impressive at first, but once you realize one route can serve a lot of homes in the same area, the picture starts to change. Most people look at a cleaning business or a service route and think about the job itself. Someone shows up, does the work, gets paid, and that's it. But that's not how it actually works when the business is set up properly. Think about a homeowner for a second. If they hire someone to clean, or handle their yard, or deal with something they do not want to think about, and it works, they usually do not go back to searching again next month. They just keep it. It becomes part of their routine. Same way they do not rethink their internet every month, or their trash service, or anything else that just quietly works. That is the real shift. It goes from a one-time decision to something automatic. And once that happens, the customer becomes much more valuable than people expect. Let's make this real for a second. Say someone pays $120 a month for a simple recurring service. If they stay for just 2 years, that is almost $3,000 from one customer. Now imagine 200 customers doing that. That is where things start to look very different. Now compare that to software. In software, people sign up, but they also cancel. They switch, they test competitors, they downgrade. You are constantly trying to keep them. In home services, if things run smoothly, customers often don't even think about leaving. One model is constantly chasing. The other is quietly collecting. And that is what makes this interesting. Not explosive growth, not hype, just steady payments that keep showing up because the business has become part of the customer's normal life. But then you might ask the next obvious question. If this is so good, why are so many of these businesses still small? Why are so many local operators stressed, messy, and stuck? It's not because the demand is weak, it's because the system behind the business is weak. Missed calls, late replies, bad scheduling, no-shows, manual billing, weak follow-up, customers forgetting to rebook, owners trying to manage everything out of their phone while still doing the work. That is what keeps most of these businesses small.
I have seen this happen a lot. Someone starts a cleaning business or a small home service company, gets a few customers, and for a while it feels like things are working. Then they miss a couple of calls. Follow-up gets inconsistent. Scheduling starts slipping. A repeat customer gets forgotten. Nothing dramatic happens all at once, but slowly customers stop coming back. Not because the service was terrible, because the system was. That is the part most people underestimate. The real difference is not just the service, it is how the business is built to run. When you add systems for scheduling, payments, reminders, and repeat bookings, something important changes. The business stops depending on constant effort just to stay alive. It starts running more smoothly on its own, and that loop is what matters. Once the loop is built, the business stops selling and starts repeating. Because once someone books once, the goal is not just to finish the job. The goal is to make the second booking easier, and the third, and the fourth. Most homeowners do not want to call every time. They do not want to explain things again. They do not want to compare options over and over for something basic. They just want it handled. So if the business makes it easy to book, easy to pay, and easy to repeat, people stay. Not because they sat down and made some big emotional decision, but because nothing pushed them to leave. That is where the value starts building. And this is why the software layer matters so much. A tool that handles scheduling, payments, reminders, and recurring bookings is not just a convenience. It removes the exact things that usually break these businesses. Without that system, the owner is chasing everything manually. With it, the business starts behaving like a machine. That is why this model gets interesting. It is still a local service on the surface.
But underneath, it starts working more like an organized network. Now, picture a single street. One house uses the service, then the neighbor, then the next one. Now, instead of driving all over the city, the work is happening in one tight area. That is where it gets powerful, because this is not just about repeat customers. It's about repeat customers in the same place. If you serve one house on a street, that's fine. If you serve 10 houses on the same street, the whole model improves. Less driving, lower cost, more efficiency, faster jobs, easier scheduling.
And there is another advantage people miss. When you work in the same area, trust builds faster. People see your truck. They hear your name from a neighbor. They notice that you are already on the block. You do not have to convince them as much. That is where things start to compound. Now you are not just getting customers one by one. You are building local density. And that changes how the business feels. At that point, it is not really about finding the next job. It is about strengthening a route. Each added customer makes the surrounding customers more valuable. That is why these businesses can become so strong when they are run well. It is not just recurring revenue. It is recurring revenue tied to a real place with a system that makes it easier to keep. This is what makes it work. Repeat customers in the same area with a system that keeps them coming back. That is the part most people do not see. They see cleaning, yard work, pet waste removal, simple labor. They focus on the task.
But the real value is somewhere else. It is in how often the customer pays, how long they stay, how little friction there is in the process, and how tightly the business can build around a neighborhood. When those things come together, a basic service starts to look very different. That is why someone like Hormozi pays attention to this space. Not because the work is exciting, but because the numbers, when the system is right, are much better than most people expect. And because most people still ignore it, the opportunity is still there. Once you start looking at businesses this way, it gets hard to unsee it. You start noticing it everywhere.